Facts Verse presents 18 bizarre marriage rituals. Number 18. Black Bride. In Scotland, there's a tradition where the bride and the groom are pelted with trash. The belief is that if they can withstand this, they can withstand anything in their marriage. Number 17. Chicken Liver Love. In Daur, China, a tradition requires that the engaged couple dissect a chicken and look at the liver. If the liver is healthy, the couple can set a date for the marriage. They cannot get married until they find a liver of a chicken that's healthy. Number 16. Fat Mauritanian Wedding. It's good luck in Mauritania to have a larger wife, as it brings prosperity in marriage. Women are often force-fed, so they get fatter for the wedding. This sometimes causes illness later in life for the woman. Number 15. Kidnapping of the bride. In Kyrgyzstan, it's said that tears make for a happy marriage. This was made illegal in 1991, but up until then, parents would consent to the marriage of any girl that was kidnapped. It was even better if she was crying. Number 14. Tree-marrying wives of India that are cursed. In parts of India, they say that girls born during a certain astrological period are cursed and can lead to an early death for their husband. To break this curse, the women must first marry a tree, and then the tree must be cut down. Number 13. Locked Down Love Bridge. This tradition is said to be started in Italy. Couples will come to a bridge and attach a decorated lock to a fence and then throw away the key. This symbolizes that they will be bound together for all time. Number 12. Museum of Broken Relationships. In Zagreb, Croatia, a museum showcases a collection of mementos, of souvenirs, and other items that have been left behind when a marriage fails. Number 11. Love without bathroom breaks. In Borneo, the couples cannot leave the house during the wedding day, even if they have to use the bathroom. The tradition is said to bring the couple good luck. Number 10. Mandatory Tears of Love. For the Tajwia people of China, the bride-to-be must weep for an hour a day for 1 month before the wedding. Women of the bride's family are encouraged to weep as well. Number 9. The Doll Bride. In Puerto Rico, they have a doll dressed as the bride at the head of the table, which is surrounded by gifts. The guests get these gifts at the end of the reception in appreciation. Number 8. Broom Jumping. In the Black South in America during slavery times, the black newlyweds would jump over a broom as they looked forward to their new lives. Today, some people still practice this tradition. Number 7. Bachelor and spinster balls in the outback of Australia. These are parties for the young people of the Australian outback. They can get pretty wild with lots of drinking and casual sex. Despite the fact that some want them shut down, they continue as a rite of passage for young people that otherwise would lead very secluded lives. Number 6. Wife-Carrying Championships. In Sankarjovi, Finland, competitors from around the world come to compete in wife-carrying competitions. This is a huge obstacle course that you need to complete with your spouse, partner, or girlfriend on your back. Number 5. Sing-Sings for Love. In the jungles of Papua New Guinea, a tribe paints their bodies and wears feathers when they want to impress women. These are called sing-songs, as it's an imitation of the male birds. Number 4. Salty Bread Romance. Women in Armenia eat salty bread so they get a prophetic dream about the man they want to marry. The man that brings them water is the one they should marry. Number 3. Wedding down the toilet. In France, an old tradition said that the newlywed couple should drink leftover alcohol from their wedding in a replica toilet bowl. This practice isn't very popular today. Number 2. Eloping in Scotland. In Scotland, there's no laws as to how old you have to be to marry. In Scotland, Gretna Green is a popular spot to elope for couples too young to marry in the UK. Number 1. Brazil. Women in Brazil have it made. Men in many areas of Brazil must compete in order to win a female's favor. Part of that competition includes giving them even more extravagant gifts in the hopes that they will be chosen as a mate. Subscribe for more.